Listen up, you donkey. Lunch isn't some bloody afterthought, it's the fuel that keeps you going through the rest of the bloody day. You can't expect to perform at your best if you're shoveling down greasy takeaway, or, worse, skipping it altogether. That's why I'm here to share 5 quick and easy lunch recipes that will blow your mind. And before you start whining about not having time, these recipes can be made faster than you can say, "Where's the lamb sauce?" Packed with nutrients and bursting with flavor, these lunches will give you the energy and focus you need to conquer the rest of your day. So, stop making excuses and let's get cooking. This isn't your average bland, boring wrap. No, this is something far more exciting, something that will make your taste buds dance with joy. This is a flavor explosion wrapped in a tortilla. Imagine biting into a wrap that's bursting with vibrant colors and even more vibrant flavors. First, grab yourself a whole wheat tortilla, none of that processed rubbish. Whole wheat tortillas are not only healthier but also add a nutty flavor that complements the fillings perfectly. Now spread a generous layer of hummus all over it. Hummus is the heart of this wrap, providing a creamy, tangy base that ties all the ingredients together. Don't be shy, you want to taste the hummus in every bite. The more hummus, the better the wrap will be. Next, lay down a bed of fresh spinach leaves. Spinach adds a lovely crunch and a burst of green that makes the wrap look as good as it tastes. Make sure they're washed properly. We don't want any gritty surprises, do we? Clean spinach ensures that every bite is fresh and delightful. Now, for some juicy cherry tomatoes, halved or quartered, it's your choice. These little gems add a sweet and tangy burst of flavor that complements the creamy hummus perfectly. Then, crumble some feta cheese on top. The more the merrier, I say. Feta cheese adds a salty, tangy kick that elevates the wrap to a whole new level. For a salty bite, add some olives, pitted or stuffed, it's your call. Olives bring a briny, savory element that balances the sweetness of the tomatoes and the creaminess of the hummus. Now, here's the crucial part. Roll that wrap tight. A tightly rolled wrap ensures that all the ingredients stay in place and every bite is a perfect blend of flavors. You don't want all that deliciousness spilling out, do you? A well-rolled wrap is not only easier to eat but also looks more appetizing. There you have it, a Mediterranean wrap that's bursting with flavor and good for you. This wrap is not just a meal, it's an experience, a journey through the vibrant flavors of the Mediterranean. Enjoy every bite. This salad is a powerhouse of nutrients, a perfect blend of flavors and textures that will leave your taste buds dancing. Packed with protein and fiber, it will keep you full and energized all afternoon, making it an ideal choice for a healthy lunch or a light dinner. First, grab your cooked quinoa. Quinoa is a fantastic base for any salad because it's not only nutritious but also has a wonderful, slightly nutty flavor. Make sure it's cooked properly, you don't want it crunchy, do you? The quinoa should be fluffy and tender, absorbing all the delicious flavors of the salad. Now toss in some black beans. Black beans are a great source of protein and add a hearty texture to the salad. Next, add some vibrant corn kernels for a touch of sweetness. The corn adds a delightful crunch and a burst of color to the salad. Then, chop up some juicy cherry tomatoes and toss them in. Tomatoes bring a refreshing juiciness and a pop of red that makes the salad even more appealing. Now, for the star of the show, avocado. Avocado is not only creamy and delicious but also packed with healthy fats that are good for your heart. Dice it up and place it gently on top. The avocado adds a rich, buttery texture that complements the other ingredients perfectly. For a zesty kick, drizzle some olive oil and a squeeze of lime juice. The olive oil adds a smooth richness while the lime juice brings a tangy brightness that ties all the flavors together. Finally, sprinkle some chopped cilantro for a fresh, herby finish. Cilantro adds a burst of freshness and a hint of citrus that elevates the entire dish. There you have it, a quinoa and black bean salad that's as delicious as it is good for you. This salad is not only a feast for the eyes, but also a nutritional powerhouse that will keep you satisfied and energized. Enjoy it as a main dish or a side and feel good knowing you're nourishing your body with every bite. Chapter 3. Chicken avocado toast, the ultimate power lunch. This is not your average avocado toast, this is a flavor explosion on toasted bread. First, toast your bread to perfection. None of that soggy bread nonsense. Choose a hearty bread like sourdough or whole grain for added texture and flavor. The key is to get that perfect golden brown crust that will hold up to all the toppings without getting mushy. Now, grab a ripe avocado and mash it up. Make sure your avocado is perfectly ripe. It should give slightly when you press it. Cut it open, remove the pit, and scoop out the creamy flesh into a bowl. Use a fork to mash it until it's smooth but still a bit chunky for that perfect texture. Spread it generously on the toast. You want a good layer of that creamy goodness. Don't be shy with the avocado, it's the star of the show. Make sure every inch of the toast is covered for maximum flavor in every bite. Next, layer on some sliced chicken breast. You can use grilled, baked, or even rotisserie chicken for this. Slice it thinly so it lays nicely on the toast. The chicken adds a great source of protein, making this toast not just delicious, but also satisfying and filling. Make sure it's cooked properly. You don't want to be serving up raw chicken, do you? Season the chicken with your favorite spices before cooking to add an extra layer of flavor. A simple mix of salt, pepper, and garlic powder works wonders. Now add some halved cherry tomatoes for a burst of sweetness and color. Cherry tomatoes are perfect because they are small, juicy, and add a pop of color to your toast. Slice them in half and scatter them over the chicken. Finally, season with salt and pepper to taste. A pinch of sea salt and a few cracks of black pepper will enhance all the flavors. You can also add a drizzle of olive oil or a squeeze of lemon juice for an extra zing. There you have it, a chicken avocado toast that's quick, easy, and packed with protein and healthy fats. This dish is perfect for lunch, a light dinner, or even a hearty snack. It's nutritious, delicious, and sure to keep you energized throughout the day. Enjoy your ultimate power lunch. Chapter 4. Veggie-packed omelet, a protein-packed powerhouse. This isn't your average greasy spoon omelet, this is a protein-packed powerhouse to fuel your day. First, crack your eggs into a bowl and whisk them until they're light and airy. Now add your favorite chopped vegetables. Peppers, onions, mushrooms, spinach, the possibilities are endless. Pour the mixture into a heated pan with a little bit of oil. Let it cook until the bottom is set, then sprinkle your cheese of choice on one half. Now, carefully fold the omelet over, using a spatula to guide it. Cook for another minute or two until the cheese is melted and gooey. There you have it, a veggie-packed omelet that's packed with protein and bursting with flavor. Chapter 5. Soba Noodle Salad, a taste of the Orient. This is not your average boring salad, this is a flavor-packed journey to the Orient. First, cook your soba noodles according to package instructions. Once cooked, rinse them under cold water to stop the cooking process. Now chop up your favorite vegetables, carrots, bell peppers, edamame, green onions, anything goes. Toss the noodles and vegetables together in a large bowl. Now for the dressing. Whisk together sesame oil, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and a touch of honey for sweetness. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss to coat. There you have it, a soba noodle salad that's light, refreshing, and bursting with flavor. There you have it, you lot. 5 quick, easy, and healthy lunch recipes that even a donkey could manage. Remember, these are just a starting point. Feel free to get creative and customize them to your liking. Add different veggies, swap out the protein, go wild. Share your culinary masterpieces in the comments below and let me know how you get on. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious and easy recipes. Now get out of my kitchen and go make some decent food.